Moving on through our different systems, we're going to next tackle the skeletal system, which is going to include bones and their associative tissues. And so again, I want you to think of bones and these tissues as an example of connective tissue. Remember, connective tissue is this wide variety of tissues, and bones are certainly part of that. What we call the study of bones is osteology. Again, we are going to have a lot of the prefix osteo for bone. We're going to see that throughout this chapter and this unit. What this is going to include is going to be cartilage, bones, and ligaments and tendons. So all of the tissues that are included in the skeletal system are going to be these four: cartilage, bones, ligaments, and tendons. And I don't know about you, but I tend to forget what ligaments are going to join and tendons are going to join. So to hopefully help you, I have a couple of sayings that might help you remember what is what. So ligaments are going to attach like to like, or bone to bone. And so that's what we mean by like to like. So ligaments are going to join bones. Tendons, you can think of tendons for two types. They're going to attach two different types of tissues, bones to muscles. All right? So tendons attach our bones and our muscles together. When we look at bones, we want to think about what is their function. And it's more than just helping us stand upright. There are many functions that bones have. One, of course, support. Like I said, helping us stand right or upright, support for the body and to help support our soft organs. The skeletal system, or the bones, are also going to serve as protection. There's protection for the brain by providing a skull. There's protection for the spinal cord with the vertebrae, and a lot of the other vital organs that are protected by bones. Bones also serve as an anchorage point for movement. It's an anchorage point for muscles, and the muscles then, when they contract, can basically move those bones like levers, and that gives us movement. Bones also act as units of storage. They store a lot of our minerals that we need, such as calcium and phosphorus, and they also store growth factors. Bones also aid in our balance of electrolytes. We need the right balance of electrolytes. Again, calcium is another one of those electrolytes, as well as phosphate. They're also going to serve a role in maintaining our acid-base balance. So alternating or altering our phosphate and carbonate levels in the bones, which are stored in the bones, can actually buffer against large pH changes in our blood. The bones are our main source of blood cell formation. So hematopoiesis is the formal name, which is blood cell production. This occurs in bone marrow cavities. Bones are also going to store triglycerides, which are a major source of energy for us. So other marrow cavities or bone cavities store triglycerides if they're not storing red bone marrow for blood cell formation. And finally, our bones serve as a place for hormone production.